The unit circle has a radius of 1 unit. Let's look at how we can put coordinates on the unit circle, keeping in mind that coordinates of a point are x and y. Coordinates of point theta, when we're dealing with the unit circle, are cos theta, sine theta. Let's look at the unit circle to support this. Keep in mind, if the unit circle has a radius of 1, this distance here also has a radius of 1. That means that this is the point 1, 0. That also means that there's a radius of 1 up this way, which is the coordinate 0, 1. I can also draw a radius anywhere along here, and this will have a distance of 1. If we do that and we continue and draw a triangle down to the x-axis, we have created a right-angled triangle, and therefore we can apply right-angle trigonometry. Theta, which is always near where the central angle would be in standard position, would be in the bottom corner by the origin. Let's now look at what sine theta and cos theta would be. Keep in mind, let's start with sine theta. You're probably familiar with SOHCAHTOA, remembering that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. If we look at our circle, opposite would be represented by the distance y on our triangle, as we have the y-axis. So opposite our hypotenuse is 1, which is equivalent of y. Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent on our triangle would be along the x-axis. Therefore, we have x over our hypotenuse of 1, which equals x. Let's look at tan theta as well. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent, which means we would have y over x. As you can see, cos theta simplified down to x. So if we have coordinates x, y, we would have cos theta sine theta.